momentum when it comes to these Pakistan Zindabad
son
statements.
of National Conference Neta Muhammad Akbar Lone, who had, in fact, in 2018 raised pro-Pakistan slogans in Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. Now, after roots in Kashmir, the centre has also made this submission in Supreme Court today, and in fact requested the top court that the National Conference leader, in fact your father, Muhammad Akbar Lone, be told to tender an apology for raising pro-Pakistan slogans. Yesterday you defended. What's your stand today? Now, given the fact that centre has also backed roots in Kashmir on this particular issue.
Whatever will be the directions from the Honourable Supreme Court, we will abide by those directions. If they ask to file the affidavit, we are going to file the affidavit. So prove our whatever you say it, to prove our allegiance to the Constitution of India. That's okay. But at the same time, I would like to say that they are very much worried because Supreme Court is going to return us back whatever has been taken away. So our primary concern is what has been taken away from us should return to us. So these are the tactics enacted by them, drama enacted by them, to just malign the image of the person and just to malign the image of the National Conference and to hinder the process. I mean to say the hearing in the court.
So there are strong accusations. In fact, the Solicitor General saying that Muhammad Akbar Lone, the petitioner, National Conference leader, your father, had supported pro-Pakistani elements in Jammu and Kashmir. How do you see these allegations?
Yeah. Is there any evidence? Is there evidence? Should have been there evidence, he would not have been allowed to fight the elections. He has been 3 times MLA, now he's a parliament member. If there is evidence, they should produce evidence before the Supreme Court to prove that Muhammad Akbar Lone is associated with the militant organization in the past.
So you're going to respond legally to the centre?
Yes, definitely. We are going to respond legally to the centre. As I said in the very outset, that we are going to abide by the direction. If only passed by the Supreme Court, if they'll ask us to file the affidavit, we are going to file the affidavit in the Supreme Court.
Since the issue is again in the news, in fact, is up again from last 24 hours, I would like to ask you again, do you think that whatever Muhammad Akbar Lone did in Assembly in 2018 was wrong? On behalf of Muhammad Akbar Lone, would you in fact tender an apology to the nation for the remarks, for the slogans, or for the statements he had made in favor of Pakistan?
So I'm not Muhammad Akbar Lone. I'm his son. So this question should be posed to Muhammad Akbar Lone. So he's very much he can answer this question. So I have no moral right or a legal right to answer the question which is reserved for Muhammad Akbar Lone.
One last question. Do you think it is wrong to raise in favor, slogans in favor of a country that's hostile towards us, that is creating problems or that has created problems for Jammu and Kashmir for last 30 long years? Do you think it's wrong to raise in favor slogans in favor of that country?
If I will speak legally and technically, to raising slogans in favor of any of the country is not wrong. I can raise the slogans in favor of USA, USSR, China, any country. That doesn't, it won't be covered by any of the offenses.
Doesn't matter if that country creates problems for you, for your people.
Creating problem for us. I'm an Indian. I'm an Indian because if India's image is inflicted, damaged, I will feel hurt.
Thank you for speaking to Times Now. This was in fact Hilal Akbar Lone, son of Muhammad